The local currency remains flat, trading at around 18.84 against the dollar. Viv Govender, who's portfolio manager at Rand Swiss, joins us now to dissect this and other business news. A very good afternoon to you, Viv. Thank you for your time. The Rand is still flat after breaking through 19 Rand to the dollar for the first time in 2 weeks. What's driving those moves?
Yes, we are seeing the Rand breakthrough. I mean, the Rand weakened as fears of rate cuts, or hopes of rate cuts rather, diminished. And so what's happening right now is that as the market basically adjusts its views on what rates are going to be looking like going forward, they are also adjusting what they expect in terms of the valuation of the dollar, and therefore that's moving currency like us relative to the dollar. So at the moment it's just a case of belief that cuts are going to be sooner or higher than expected for the year, and that's bringing the rand a little bit better. And of course, whenever there's lack of uncertainty in the world, the rand also benefits from that.
Now, gross foreign exchange reserves in South Africa fell to $61.188 billion in January of 2024. Help us make sense of that data.
Yeah, we are seeing, for instance, some money flowing out of the country as well in terms of, foreign investors. Apparently, foreign investors pulled about R1 trillion from South African markets, over the last decade or so. So we are seeing, obviously, some pressure on the fiscus. At the same time, the way a country earns money is by selling stuff, by having people invest in it. The way it loses that kind of money is when people basically, you can't sell as much stuff or you buy more stuff. And of course, with the stuff that's been happening with transit as well, it's not really happening the case with regards to earning foreign currency in South Africa.
RGS has lost its Tongaat Hulot case after business rescue practitioners hit back. What's going on in that space?
Yeah, look, there's a Vision consortium that's basically won the right to reform and rehabilitate Tongaat Hulot, the sugar producer down in KZN. There's a company, both big companies, RGS, that claims that the people in charge of deciding who gets the Tongaat Hulot, who gets to basically be in charge of it, etc., etc. They basically weren't doing their proper duty, and they are basically come out and said that they shouldn't be the ones that won the award or won the company, or they just won the company rather. And the court has basically come out and said it's not an urgent case and therefore has thrown it out at the moment.
On the other end, Better Point has dragged KPMG to the South Gauteng High Court, claiming the firm shortchanged us. Give us more insight about those developments.
Yeah, this is a case where there's what's called a real estate consulting company. Basically, let's say you have a huge office building and you have a bunch of offices out there. Somebody comes in and says, we can get you savings, either by moving out some offices or redesigning how you do things, etc. And for this, we'll want a percentage of the savings you get for you. I think it's about 10 to 15% they talked about. And apparently, they claim that they made the savings and they haven't been paid, according to the agreement around that savings.
Very well. Let's perhaps leave it there for now. Thank you so much for your insight. Viv Govender, portfolio manager at Rand Swiss, giving us a sense of the latest in the world of business and a markets update.